Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the cascading dropdowns in the Moderion app without any coding, without writing any JS. Okay, we are use the dynamic filtering option of our forms, and to show and hide the feeds, we use the business rules. So let's go and see this practically how it will work. So let's I go to my Modern app. So this is our Modern app cascading in the Modern app. So let's I create one new record, and in the new record we are taking very famous example for the cascading dropdown country. If country is filled, then the state will populate. Okay, and if state is filled, on the basis of that, all cities are populated. So let's we go and select any country here, India. So all the states present in the India, those will be visible here only. Okay, so if you see, from the India we have only Maharashtra, so it is visible. From the cities, from Maharashtra, if city is present, so that city is available here, Mumbai. So if I remove the state, then the city is hiding, and if I remove the country, then the state is hiding. And same it will work for the all the countries. If I select the Australia, Australia's related state will appear. On the basis of that state, the cities will appear here. So how to do this cascading drop down in the Modern app? In this video, we are seeing this. So let's I go to my solution, okay, and let's I showcase you what we need. So we need the four table. Okay, first one is country. So in the country table, we have all the countries available. For example, I just taken 5. Then we have the states here. Okay. In the state column, we are having the state, and we created one lookup column with one to many relationship. Okay. So here if you create the column, it will automatically one to many. So if you see, India, Maharashtra is mapped to India, California mapped to the USA, England is mapped to the UK. So in this manner, all the things are mapped here. And the similar way for the cities as well, it is mapped and having the relationships as well. Okay, city name and state. So now let's go to our master table, and in the master tables we have the forms. Okay, we are using the main form. Okay, in the form we just added our columns. Okay, country, state, city, you can add in the similar manner. So whenever user select any country, we have to filter the states here, right? So for that purpose, in our new modern control, we have this filtering option. Okay, filter by related rows and relationships to the current table. So we have used here states. Okay, so we have to filter on the basis of country, and what we want to filter, state. So relationship to the current table, I select the country, and relationship to this lookup table, I selected the state. Okay, in the similar way we have done it for the cities as well. If you are confusing for state, you can understand cities here. Okay, in the filtering option here, we selected state in the master table. Okay, and the relationship lookup is selected as a state. If you are using the classic control, okay, classic way as well, so there also these options are available. So I will just quickly showcase you in the classic how it will look like. So in the state, I select the state column, And here if I go, simply just double click on this, so properties will showcase here. So in the properties, if I scroll, so here we have the related record filtering option available. So we utilize this similar way, same mapping we have done here as well. Okay, it is just in older control and that we have in the new control. So by using this, we can filter this data. Okay, so now our first step is completed, filtering of data is done. Now we have to hide the state and city. Okay, so for that purpose, let's I close this, go one step back, and let's go to our table one more time, master data table, where we are saving this data. Let's open the business rule. So first we will go and we will hide the city one. Okay, means whenever state is blank, okay, in that case the city column should be hide. So let's we go in the business rule. In the business rule, what we have done, just added a condition here. Okay, set the visibility when state does not contain any data. In that case, just hide the city and also clear the city column. Both the things we are doing, hiding as well as clearing. And if it is content data, okay, state column, in that case we are showcasing the city column. The same thing we have done here as well in the state and city one. Okay, so here whenever country does not contain data, okay, means whenever this column, okay, country does not contain any data, in that case what we are doing, first we are hiding the state, then hiding the city, clearing the state and clearing the city, and then just showcasing the state only. So this is our business rule. Okay, and whenever you create the business rule, just rename it from here. Okay, save it and activate it. So if you want more info about this all the things, okay, how I done, I just write up one block here in the details. So all the columns, high level architecture of these relationships, how it is designed, all things are mentioned in this blog. I'm requesting all of you to go and watch this blog. Okay, if you have any questions, any doubt, please let me know in the comment box, friends. Thank you.